To our beloved Mayor Kasatayan, the members of the City Council, the department heads, sa lahat po ng kapwa lingkod bayan, sa ating mga kapulisan, on behalf of the Police Regional Office, Negros Island Region, we are here, sir, to express our gratitude for your continued trust and support. To Mayor Kasatayan, sir, thank you for being true partners in peace and progress here in the City of Bacolod. Nagpapasalamat kami dito sa 10 electric vehicle na idodonate po sa atin ng City of Bacolod. Alam na po natin, katulad ng binanggit ng ating mahal na mayor, na this is the way to go. Alam natin na hindi natin kontrolado ang pagtaas ng krudo, ang presyo ng krudo, at ito po ang sagot niyan. Makakaasa po kayo ng susuklian ko ng maayos na pagsiservisyo ng inyong kapulisan dito sa City of Bacolod. And this is also in support of the program of the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government for safer cities and safer communities all over the country. As stated by our mayor a while ago, bumaba po ang krimen natin lalong-lalo na dito sa City of Bacolod, and we intend to lower it more. At ang makakatulong po talaga rito ay itong dagdag na mobility sa ating mga kapulisan. Magandang umaga po.
Madamong salamat, Police Brigadier General Arnold Thomas Ibay.